So if you want to post on social media without having to remember everything manually, GoHighLevel lets you schedule your post in advance so your content goes live automatically at the right time. In this video, I will show you step by step how to schedule a social media post in GoHighLevel so you can save time and stay consistent with your marketing. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where I make GoHighLevel simple and easy for business owners. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe this channel and check the link in the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So you can just check that out. So now let's get back to the video. So once you are inside your GoHighLevel, just go to the marketing from the left panel, and maybe your page is not like this because I have already YouTube and LinkedIn with connected. So you can see there are some option of your social media. You just need to click on that and it will be automatically connect with your social account. So if I show you, so I show you. Okay, so you will see like this. So if you just click on the social media for the Facebook, the TikTok or Threads or the YouTube, so let's show you. So if I click on YouTube, it will redirect it and just log in by continue and again continue, and that's it. It will be connected with GoHighLevel and the your YouTube channel. So you can see it's connected. Okay, so now just click on this new post from here or here. Okay, so just click on this new post. Now here you can select the social account here. So let's say I want to post this my YouTube post and LinkedIn also. Okay, so I have selected and let's write the post. Okay, so we have written our post, and after that if I move to this section, you can see there is an option for post. Just click on this and here you will see there is an option for the schedule this post. Okay, now click on this and you can set the time. Let's say I want to post this to 21st October 2025 and time I'm keeping as it is, then just schedule this post. Okay, so we have just created this schedule. So basically this is how you can manage your social planner, or you can schedule your posts for the future. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't miss the link in the description for the exclusive bonuses and the live bootcamp access and the 30 days free trial. So till then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.